Hi, welcome back to the Drummond channel. It's February 18th, Sunday evening on the East Coast, and we take a look at crude oil and the NASDAQ and see what we can expect, what we can anticipate for the week ahead. So let's get started. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the weekly as the time focus for crude oil and the NASDAQ. And on the weekly chart, we're coming up off of last week. Weekly PL dot was also there with the monthly PL dot and through the quarterly PL dot. So now these areas become our support for the week, which coincides also with the live PL dot for the week, which you can see right here. And what we've talked about before is this is what's called a triple dot push. We have a quarterly, monthly, and weekly PL dot all below price right now. And also over here on the monthly chart, you can see this yearly PL dot held so far this month. It held last month on close. So the yearly PL dot's pushing up as well. So all indications are that this market is headed higher. And for the week, where do we expect it to go? So on the weekly chart, you can see that there's a wall forming up here, and that's in the area of the monthly envelope top. So that would be the target area for this week. And if you're not in this market, now you're wondering where you would get in, where you want to get on board and possibly take a long and ride this market higher. And come over here to the right on the daily chart, and we'll draw in a 5-2 up, which gives us a support area on the daily chart. And then also on the daily chart, we have the live PL dot and the static PL dot. If you're not familiar, that's the live PL dot. That's for the day that's forming. So that's for Tuesday, and this is Monday. So this is Sunday night. So this is Monday's bar that's forming now, and that's the daily PL dot for Monday. So this area is our support area. So a retracement down into this area would be a good spot to take a long. And again, target range, if you're able to get on board down in this area, first target would be this envelope top. Second target would be up here on the monthly envelope top. And then way up above, you can see on the weekly chart, is the quarterly envelope top. So let me say that one more time. So looking here on the daily chart, we're going to have a target range up around 79.50 up to about $80 a barrel. And the support area down here, 77 and a quarter, 77.50. And do not expect to see prices get down below this cyan bar here. This is called the spike, and we expect this area to hold. So that's where the stop would go, just below that. Again, ideally getting in here on a bit of a retracement and then riding prices up into the daily envelope top or monthly envelope top. Okay, and next up is the NASDAQ. And what do we see on the weekly chart? Well, things got up here into this oncoming area the week before last week. It was up, or I guess this week up until later tonight, and the oncoming area held, and the spike area last week, or this week I guess, held and closed down inside the envelope. And now we're again down here by the weekly PL dot for this new bar that's forming, and we're in the cyan area, the spike area. So we expect this area to continue to hold because it has been holding the last couple of weeks. And when you look at this in conjunction with the monthly bar, is up in the oncoming range, it's up in the yearly envelope range, and we're expecting this area to hold as well. And that's what we got over here on the daily chart. And the daily chart is going to show us a little bit more detail about how these prices are reacting to this higher time period resistance. So we had these oncomings lining up here on the daily chart, and we had this big move up, closed down inside the envelope. So this upward move was finished, and now we have the daily chart, the daily PL dot pushing down in this big down day. And then over here on the next bar, the center point holds. Prices get a little bit up above that, but the weekly envelope top and the daily envelope top hold on close. And then again, the market gets just up above that on that day on Friday and then reverses sharply down. And this white line here, that is the yearly envelope top. So prices are flirting with this yearly envelope top along with these monthly and weekly areas. So what can we expect for the week? Well, we're right here at the weekly PL dot. Downside target, first downside target is weekly envelope bottom and monthly envelope top. And then we get farther down here into the quarterly envelope top and the monthly PL dot. And as we always say, the lower time periods are going to show us the way. So this resistance area up here is strong. We don't expect prices to get above for Monday to get above the spike area. More than likely, we're going to see this PL dot hold in the area of the yearly envelope top and daily downside target, weekly envelope bottom, and monthly envelope top. All right, that's fairly quick and down and dirty for crude oil and the NASDAQ. Anticipating crude oil to head up and the NASDAQ to continue lower. We'll see how things play out. As I've seen in the last couple of updates I've done, we can anticipate a bounce pretty good, be fairly accurate with that, but these bounces have been short-lived and sometimes very hard to trade unless you're very nimble or you're aggressive. So we'll see how it plays out, and we'll update these as we move through the week. So thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment section, and thank you for watching. We'll see you again next time.